What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods. These have been around for a while, but I just got them, so we're going to test them out. So there's basically two things in particular I want to see, which is how easy are they to connect to your devices, and how good is the audio quality compared to that of the mic on a traditional pair of Apple headphones. So let's go ahead and open these things up. Wow. Bam. So it says, turn on Bluetooth, connect AirPods, start listening. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull these things out. There's an L for left ear and an R for right ear. I'm gonna put them in. They fit pretty good. Generally, these fit well in my ears anyway, so this is pretty nice. Okay, so I did them on my phone. That's easy. You just pop it open, it automatically connects. Now I'm gonna try and do it on my computer because I want to use these on my computer as well. So I think it already detected them. Let's pop it open. Maybe I need to click on this. So AirPods. Connect. Are they on? Why didn't I get a notification? It says they're on. I'm just gonna open up Spotify real quick, play something. They're working. Okay, cool. So they work for audio. They allow me to hear stuff. So now let's test out the microphone on these versus a traditional pair of headphones. Bruh, they ain't make it easy. So I opened up QuickTime to do an audio recording with these, and it won't let me record longer than 1 second. Oh, technology! 1 second? Are you kidding me? That's really frustrating if I can't just like record on my computer. Maybe I need to do something else, I don't know. But here is the audio from the AirPods. How does it sound? Does it sound any good? Hopefully it sounds good. There's that, a little test. Now let's switch to the mic from a traditional pair of earbuds. And here is the mic from a traditional pair of earbuds, Apple earbuds, Apple headphones. How does it sound? Does this one sound any good? See, this is kind of weird because this is the mic and it depends like where it's at for how it sounds probably. Does this sound better than the AirPods? The EarPods? What are they called? Which one sounds better? Let me know down in the comments what you think. And there you have it, a quick little review, a little test on the Apple AirPods, AirBuds. Seriously, what are these called? AirPods, Apple AirPods. It kind of sucks that they didn't work for recording audio right away on the computer, but maybe that's something I can figure out. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on social media, mobile apps, technology, stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.